Now we move on to our next performers. Representing Territory 3 or Visayas, all the way from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City, sila ang mapasigarbuhong mga Bisaya. Please welcome the Sounds of Life.
tree of paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy, don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Nothing's gonna stop us.
I'm so glad I found us. I'm not gonna stop us. Whatever it takes,
Stop
I
us.
will stay.
Nothing's gonna stop us.
Take it to the good times, take it to the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Let them say we're crazy. What do they know?
They know.
Put your arms around me,
Arms
baby,
around me,
don't
baby,
ever
don't ever let go.
let the world around us
World around us
just fall apart.
just fall apart.
Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever.
Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. All that I need is you. All that I have, all I need. All that I want to do. Hold you forever, ever and ever. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop. Nothing's gonna stop. Nothing's gonna stop us
Nothing's gonna stop us.
Let's give it up for Sounds of Life! Sulit ang biyahe mula Cebu. Mayong hapon. Mayong hapon, mayong hapon. Gwapat gwapo. Gwapat gwapo. Now, that was intense. And like what I said, sulit talaga yung biyahe nyo no, from Cebu. But the competition just gets tighter and tighter as we meet the other groups. But again, I am curious. I want to talk to one of you guys. Hello. Ang bilis, no? No thoughts. Okay. My question for you is, why did you choose your second song?
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. We, the Songs of Life, believe that our song, Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now, is the best song that best represents the best in life or a lifetime for good because of the lyrics. We believe that we are building a dream for our policyholders. We are standing strong for them despite the pandemic and all the problems in the Philippines. And nothing's going to stop us from being hopeful, courageous, and most of all, proud of being InLifers. Thank you.
Very well said. Contestant number 1. Pili ko nasa utak niya, bumiyahe ako hanggang Cebu, no? Kukunin ko yung stage na to, akin to. Thank you very much for that. Now, Sounds of Life, palabangan natin, and once again, let's hear what the judges have to say about that performance. We start with Miss Bernadette De Leon.
Thank you very much. I was left breathless. Parang banig na well-woven, beautiful. I was listening to your pianissimos. You gave that to me as a choral conductor. I appreciated it so much. And you had good blending. Everything was there. Perfect. I just listened to you, and that was it. Beautiful. Thank you very much.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. Now, from that comment, we move on to Sir Dan Tejada.
Hello, good afternoon once again, everybody. Alam nyo, itong grupong ito, as I can recall, no, you're from Visayas. Alam mo, sa ating mga professional singer in the country, well, modestly I said, wala naman akong pinapatabaan. Sa totoo lang, marami talagang Bisaya na sikat na singer. You know, bihira ang Ilocano, pero kanila ang presidente. Di ba? Ano laban nyo? Singer kayo o politiko? O nagkataon lang na itong grupo na ito ay punong-puno ng mga marites. Malalakas ang boses eh. Di ba? Well, thank you very much. Sabi nga ni Ma'am kanina, we're both from Madrigal, no? Nauna lang si Ma'am ng konti, kaya ako, wala nang buhok siya, meron pa eh. Sabi ko kayo na paglabas, how come na you guys really know how to dress yourselves? The first, the second, the third, you have a very nice costume, no? Hindi namin nasuot nung araw yan eh. O mas mayaman lang talaga, maraming budget. Kami nagtitipid. Kayo, depende kay Ma'am Nina siguro, no? Talagang open lang talaga si Ma'am Nina na ito pag when it comes to projects like this, no? Thank you, Ma'am Nina. You know, let's give her a hand. I think, ano ito eh. And the Insular Life, whatever, all the companies that is part of this event, no? Thank you very much. I'm so happy. Binalik nyo yung mga feelings namin nung araw na nailibing niya, nahukay eh. Di ba? Especially dyan sa inyo. Well, rest assured, remaining contestants, no? That's why kami nila Boboy, kami nila na Sir Ding, and the rest of the judges. Nag-usap kami na hindi kami magbibigay ng aming kung ano man ang points, no? Unless narinig nila namin kayo lahat. See? In fairness to all of you. Kasi sa ngayon, makikita namin kanina, ang galing naman ito. Biglang may lumabas, may magaling, may magaling. Paano ko yung number 5 and number 6, mas magaling din? Di ba? So in fairness to all of you guys, no, thank you. Malakas lang, nagkataon lang na marami talagang marites siguro dyan sa grupo na. It's so easy to guide your voice eh. Kasi kahit sa pagsosolo, singing solo, no, ang mahina at may malakas, we can consider that feelings. At nakita ko sa inyo. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, Sir Dan. Miss Bernadette, maraming salamat din, no? Thank you very much, Sounds of Life. Palabakan natin, Sounds of Life, everybody.